Welcome to the 5th tutorial on Muslim beliefs. In this we will look at Kutubullah, or holy books of Allah, and why they are important to Muslims today. Muslims believe that prophets have received messages from Allah, and these were recorded in ancient scriptures, known as Kutubullah. Revelation is communication from Allah and happened up until the Quran, which was revealed to Prophet Muhammad. One of the earliest known texts is the Sahifa of Ibrahim and Musa. Parts of the scrolls are quoted in the Quran. Muslims believe that the Torah contains teachings and laws but was only meant for a limited time, for Jewish people. For Muslims it contains an important record of the teachings given to Musa, including the 10 Commandments. Muslims believe the Jewish prophet Dawood was given the Zabur. There are 150 psalms made up of songs, prayers and poems. Lots of them are about keeping faith in Allah even when suffering, which Muslims believe are inspired by Allah. Muslims believe that part of the Injil is included in the New Testament but the original became lost or was altered. Parts of the Gospel in the New Testament is shirk, like when it says he is the Son of Allah. The Injil is a collection of revelation that teaches morals such as love and forgiveness. Muslims believe Allah revealed the Quran to Prophet Muhammad as his final revelation because his previous holy texts had become unreliable. They believe the Quran is the only scripture meant for all times and all people. Muslims believe Muhammad was a universal messenger who came at a time when Allah decided the world was ready for his complete message. Muslims believe it contains information that could only have come from Allah. The Quran is described as free from any distortion. Muslims believe it is the only holy text that hasn't been changed at all over time. All holy books before the Quran are held in high respect by Muslims because they are all sent by Allah. Muslims believe that all revealed scriptures prepared the way for the final revelation, the Quran. Prophet Muhammad's wife Aisha said that Muhammad was a living example of the Quran. Muslims therefore try to follow his example by acting according to the Quran's teachings. In the exam, you might be asked to explain Muslim attitudes to holy books, or explain 2 reasons why the Quran is important to Muslims, or argue for and against the holy books being equally important to Muslims. Can you summarize what you have learnt in this tutorial? In summary, Muslims believe many holy books were revealed by Allah and were for particular societies at particular times. Before the Quran, holy scriptures were changed or lost. The Quran is believed by Muslims to be the final and perfect revelation.